Hi there! Odoo is a powerful open-source ERP system that allows businesses to manage various operations like sales, inventory, HR, and more. One of the essential features in Odoo is the ability to import and export data, which enables users to efficiently move data into or out of the system. This can be particularly helpful for bulk updates, migrations, and backups. In this guide, we will cover how to import and export data in Odoo, and I'll be giving you tips and best practices for smooth data handling. First, how to import data into Odoo. Odoo supports importing data in CSV and XLSX formats. Before importing, ensure that your data is structured according to Odoo's format. Go to Odoo app where you want to import data. So it can be inventory, sales, or products, but in this case, let's choose contacts. Now, click this one to see the list view of the contacts, and you may click on the contacts that you want to import. So you may choose some people, but if you want all, you just click the box here beside the name. Then, click into Actions and select Export. You may choose between XLSX format or CSV format. Now, if you want a simpler one, you can choose CSV, but if you want it to be in Excel form, you may click XLSX. You may also click this one if you want to update data, import compatible export. Now, under the available fields, you can add here what you want to export. Is it the account payable, the auto post fields? Just click on the plus sign button here to add the available fields. Now, it's totally up to you. And once you're okay with the settings here, click export, and you will see that the file here has been exported. Now, this is an XLSX format. Now, let's try downloading it through CSV. So I'll click on this one and click the export button again. Now, let's check under the downloads here. Click on downloads, and you will see here the CSV format and the XLSX. So for the XLSX, I'll click it. This is in Excel format, and let's check on the other one. Now, this is in CSV or comma separated value. So if you want a simpler one, you may just click on it. CSV file is also editable, just like the XLSX format. Now let's go back to Odoo. And click on Contacts again. Now click on the list view again, and then click on the Actions button here, and click Import Records. You may drop or upload a file to import. Click on the Upload Data file if you want the file from your computer. So I'll just choose the one that we have exported earlier. Click on the file and then click Open. There you will see here the file. It has been successfully imported. So before doing a full import, always validate your file by using the Test Import feature. This helps to avoid issues and errors. Always keep data format consistent, so ensure that your CSV or Excel file follows the correct format with no missing columns or incorrect values. Inconsistent data formats can lead to import errors. Remember to use templates and always back up your data. Review exported data for accuracy as well. Odoo also provides a powerful and flexible way to handle your business data, but like any system, it requires proper setup and discipline to maintain data integrity. Now you'll be able to leverage Odoo's full potential and streamline your operations. Happy importing and exporting, and see you in the next video.